I love the shape of your mouth. I love the taste of your lips.
Thankful din ako sa pagdating ni Carlo. Thankful ako kasi alam namin dalawa kung ano yung pinagdaanan namin before. Pero, ayun, pinagtagpo kami ni God. At, ayun, super thankful kami dahil sa kung ano man yung problem or napagdaanan namin sa past relationship namin, ayun, kami yung pinagtagpo at ngayon, super pinagtibay kami ni God and nagmamahalan kami ng bongga. And blessed din kami kasi hindi lang para together, hindi lang dahil sa pagsasama namin together, dahil blessed din kami ni God ng isa pang blessing, which is our baby coming soon. Ayun, so thank you to all, especially to our parents, and thank you.
I love the way that
Kay Andrea, salamat sa lahat. Alam niya na kung ano yung pinagdaanan namin parehas. Wala na ako iba pang hihilingin. Thankful ako nang dumating siya sa akin. Magkakababy na kami, lahat. Sobrang saya. Basta maraming salamat lang sa kanya sa pagdating sa buhay ko, sa pag-aalaga, lahat, sa pag-iintindi sa ugali ko, sa pag-aalaga kay baby. Thank you.
you capture me, but it's no surprise. I saw it coming in your eyes, and I belong to you. I belong. Let's build a home. Let's build a home. 'Cause you are home. You are home. Oh, we can't get any better than this. You've stolen me with your perfect kiss, and I know you're who I've waited for. You take my hand and you take a knee, and I can see what you're asking me, and I belong to you. Oh, we can't get any better than this. You stolen me with your perfect kiss, and I know you're who I've waited for. You took my hand when you took a knee, and all along waited patiently. But I belong to you. Oh, I belong to you.